Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work offline on the Google Docs browser. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser will work for you on your PC. Of course, whatever browser working for you, it could be like Google, Opera, Brave like me, and Microsoft Edge, I don't know, Firefox, even Internet Explorer is working for you. So once you did, or once you open the one of your browser, go here to the URL section, and all you need to do, just type Google Docs and hit the enter button, go to the first link, and this will actually appear for you. So of course, if you have an account, all you need to do, just go and click at sign in option here, and you will be signed in into your account. But if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and click at sign up here for free to create an account. So do one of those options. So you will find yourself here with this homepage or with this main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to work offline on the Google Docs website. So of course, what we would like to do now is just go and open a new tab, then go to drive.google.com and hit the enter button, and that will actually take you into the drive. Let me just change my account, and here of course on the drive you will find the whole thing that you are working on. Of course, the Google Docs, the Google Sheets, Google Forms, whatever you have. So now what we would like to do is just to choose whatever we would like to work on offline. And of course, there is an option if you want to work offline, but it's not available for older users. Of course, it will be like the available offline option. As you can see, I don't have it here, but of course, what would like to do for me in my case, I would like to download it and then work on it offline whenever I want. And once I finish, like as an example, I can just come back here and upload it, and it will be good to go. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.